lahat. Salamat katang to our Malaysian friends. I guess this is quite an exciting evening. I'd like to thank all of you for joining us at this canvassing of the votes for the 2016 Philippine national elections. And we're grateful for your patience. As you can see, this electoral exercise can't be rushed because there's a lot of safeguards that are in place and they have to be observed. A lot is riding certainly on the results of these elections, and it's hugely important that the electoral process is participated by as many of the registered voters as possible. That's why we would like to thank all those who have visited the embassy and have cast their ballots in the last 30 days. So this is not just voting today, but in fact for the last 30 days. As you may have noticed, we now have electronic voting here at the embassy. This is a huge improvement from the manual voting which we had 3 years ago for the 2013 senatorial and congressional elections. So this time we'll be canvassing votes which are already aggregated rather than reading and canvassing each ballot. So we should be able to finish in relatively short order rather than at midnight, which what we had 3 years ago. I'm sure that my team here has conducted this electoral exercise in a fully transparent manner, in an efficient way, and of course in accordance with the rules and regulations issued by the Commission on Elections in Manila. So it is at this time that I'd like to thank those who worked on this electoral exercise here at the embassy, those who studied the system, manned the ballot boxes for the last 30 days, and now is facilitating the canvassing of the votes. And I'd like to cite them for a job well done. I guess we can give them a round of applause. I'd like to give commendation to Consul Ruel Unabe, the Special Board of Election Inspectors. Number 2, Administrative Officer Edna Yasay, who has and Consul Alvin Malasig, Vice Chairperson of the Special Board of Canvassers. So with those words, I now turn over the mic to Alvin.